Turn the key, press the lock cylinder and pop out the gateway handle. Then rotate it inward to open the cabinet door. Prepare the tools shown here before proceeding with the device replacement. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws and detach the gateway cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the internal protective plate of the gateway and remove it. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws on the breaker, then disconnect the cables and pull out the CTs. Pull down the 2 latches at the bottom of the breaker, then hold the breaker with both hands and remove it from the DIN rail. Unscrew the 2 terminals on the feedback contact block, then disconnect and pull out the 2 feedback wires. Remove the 4 screws connecting the 8 sampling wires to the contactor bus bars. Then take out the 4 copper bus bars. Proceed to loosen the A1 and A2 terminals and disconnect the wiring. Use a ratchet wrench to unscrew the 4 hex bolts at the bottom of the contactor. And remove the 4 screws from the bus bar. Remove the 4 bus bars from beneath the contactor and then take out the contactor itself. Install the new contactor and use a ratchet wrench to secure the 4 nuts at the base. Connect the A1 and A2 feedback wires and tighten the terminal screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Use a Phillips screwdriver to install the 4 sensing wire screws on the upper bus bars, ensuring each cable is connected to its designated port as labeled. Reinstall the bus bars at the bottom of the contactor and tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Then use a ratchet wrench to secure the 8 hex bolts on the contactor. Insert the cables into the feedback contact block and tighten the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Mount the circuit breaker onto the DIN rail and engage the bottom clip. Thread the cables through the CTs, insert them into the circuit breaker, and tighten the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Install the internal protective panel and tighten the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Install the internal gateway cover and tighten the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Then, close the cabinet door and lock it.